So the topic today is stacking wood. Um, I think it's clear that I don't know how to do it. I'm still learning, but the goal is I've got my old truck behind you guys over there that I want to be able to park in here. I need 15 feet of space. Currently, I only have 10 or 11, so I need to get this pile back to about right here. But I also need to be able to store about twice this amount. So that's what we're doing today. If you guys have any tips and tricks, please let me know down in the comments and we'll get to it. He's down in the wood pile. Sharp tail snake. Awesome. So I think I've done just about everything I can do here. What I need to do, I think I need to stop right here. I need to put the drone in the air so I can see the whole property. We'll do a voiceover on that. And we gotta be okay with our permanent decision on where to put the wood, because this might not be the best spot. So let's do that, and we'll take some comments on where you think would be the best spot to put it. So you can see there right about top of the screen is where the current wood pile is, where we've been working this morning by the shop. See the old green truck parked out by the road there that I want to actually park there. Now we definitely, as we pan along the property, have options here. Everything behind the shop there is the farm. And I'm just basically looking for suggestions. Where do you think would be a good spot? You can see the top left of the property and kind of top center a little bit. I've already got wood stacked there. I want to get it off. A lot of me thinks that where it is now, just along the right property border, is probably the best spot for it. Although I don't like it there, because that's the yard in front of my shop and I like to work on stuff there, and it gets hard to do that with several cord of wood. So leave a comment down below. We'll go ahead and let this drone footage play out, and I hope to see you on the next Wood Heat Wednesday.